Is on video?
Yes. Cody! Travis!
What?
Look at him! He just stuck his whole face down there.
Look! Look, Daddy!
What?
He just stuck his whole face in the cupcake. He went.
God. What are you nuts, man?
Is it good, Cody? Is it your birthday? Did you get a cupcake?
It's your birthday. Go, go, go. This is Cody's birthday. Casey.
Alyssa, come back in front of him so he doesn't turn around backwards. What you got, Cody? You got cupcake? Cody, you're a mess. Are you a mess? Cody, are you a mess?
Oh.
You're a mess. Mess. Say happy birthday, Cody. Say happy birthday.
Okay. Sideways.
Hi. Is your cupcake good?
Who's going to have a bath?
I already gave him a bath. He's going to need another one. I should have waited to give you a bath, huh? Yeah.
He's going to.
Where's your cupcake? What'd you do to your cupcake?
I have one. Give him another one.
No. Not right now. Cody! Hey, Bug, what did you do to your cupcake? What happened to your cupcake? What happened to it? What happened? Did you eat it? Mmm, yummy. Was it yummy? Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Say bye-bye. Cody, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.